Bing, bang. I hear the people running in. Boom, bang, above my head. Running to the kitchen, running to the fridge, not even thinking who's down below them. If I could, I would buy this building to silence it. I have my art collection plastered all over the walls. This is what we're going to do with. We're going to work with the penny and the fish, and we're going to see how numbers 3 and 7 come to the effect of an art piece. Let me just put down the light. Here is 3 and 7. This is all about 3 and 7. The only way to create this 3 and 7 is to travel through 5. When you travel through 5, the road you take is here, here, and here. We're not going this way because this is 3 and 9. I'm not going that way. 6 is over here. Okay, I'm not going that way, but you all know, okay, that the penny also goes with number 6, which is over here. So we will now do this to the design, and I'm going to do the whole design in here. Here, okay, is 963, and 6 goes over here, so I must put 9 to this, and then 3 over to 6. Here is 3 over to 6. I'm going to build this with you. I'm going to stay here. We're going to stay here from beginning to end. It doesn't matter how. We have to remember that 8 and 9 is on the other side of the penny. 7, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are on this side. So here is what we have so far. Remember, everything is 9 to 5, so the 5 is the halfway. Okay, part of 9. It's part of 9, part of the area 9. We're not going to design it. I can't describe it right now. We're going to go over here. This is where 5 is. This is where 5 is. Maybe we should color some of these. We're going to start coloring, and I like this color combination. In this color combination, I have red and blue, and inside here, I have yellow and blue. So we're going to take it here, and we're going to go here. You notice 1, 2, 1 over here in this design. 2, 1, 2. I don't want to use the same color. I don't even really want to use red. Okay, because this is a black number, but we're going to use red. I don't like to do this. We have the inside its own house, so I get a square. But I'm caught in between 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 8, 9. So I must make this design. The diameter creates a plus sign. Here I have the divided, because this line shows me divided, and this line shows me divided. It shows me the minus, and it shows me above and below, so I'm dividing. So this is how I divide that side. So now we're going to continue on. Let's put the cap on this. Don't want to forget about the cap. Remember, I put that over here. I don't want to lose it, right? So if I don't see it, you're going to have to help me find it. In fact, let's even go a little bit deeper. Let's do all the actualities. We're going to do all the 10-cent pieces. Here's a 10-cent piece. See, over here? This is part of the 10-cent piece. I can cross all the way over. I don't want to do that yet. I don't want to add that effect on yet, okay? I can probably make this all wide and create a rectangle out of it, but I'm not going to do that yet. Even if I create a rectangle over it at the end, right, and the Star of David, I don't want to do that yet because the possibility is there. The truth is there because they do all connect. And now these are on the side, so I'm not going to do them. Do I need to talk all the time? Sometimes I just like to be silent and listen. So in reality, when I connect this 8 and 8, it creates a 7. I connect 9 and 9, 9 and 9, 4 9's 36. I create a 9, 3 6 9, 3 6 9. Okay. There was one little break I want to make in the action. Hold on. So as we move right along with this video, we have the group of 1 and 2 and 2. This is 7. So in the 7 group, I'm going to be doing as the 3 group, and I'm going to go with purple, okay? I'm going to do this. I'm not sure how I'm going to connect everything yet, right? Here's the 3 group. Don't forget, I'm going to put color on the outside also here for whatever difference there is, because this is inside the house. Remember, every dot is the center of a house, right? See this part over here? The angles of something? See this big A over here? See the way it's smaller over here? Well, I didn't cut properly in the line. These two should be the same side. So to see the right angle and left angles, see where this goes in? This is 5, this is 6, because 5 and 6 go together, right? So I have to outline this. Did I outline it? Do I outline it in this color? Is it being outlined in green? No, we can't outline it in green, so we're going to have to take maybe blue. Oh no, blue would be the tagging. We're going to connect. We're going to connect. We're going to connect with blue, right? Because blue is, you know what, in the fivefold, right, we need that. 3 is a continuous energy, is it not? 3 is a continuous energy, and 5 is the passing line. It's a question I'm asking. It's a question I'm asking. So we have this, and that's in the line. These are boxes, so I'm just going to take this like this because they're outside the line, right? Just going to do it this way. I'm not sure which way to do it. I might need help to do it this way. So we did all of these. Here's your 1. This is your 7 area. So this is your 8 area, so we have to take that 8 area and put it in red. I even hear him coming down the stairs right now. Boom, boom, boom. But what can you do? You know, that's life, right? I have to live with it. There's my purple area over here. And now we're going to have to continue. See, I don't have markers that are not covered. Should I just take my time and cover them? Because, you know, if you run out of that, you don't have any more, right? You have to protect it. So here's your 6 area, right? Here's your 3, 6. See the way I did it here? I went out and up. Should I have just gone over? Right? Here's my area of 6. Should I have just come to here with the 6? How did I do it here? Yeah, I took only one area and I don't have any whiteouts. So now I have to ask myself a question. Do I connect it this way? Or do I connect it this way? If I connect it this way, what is the design that comes out of it? Okay, right over here, I connected it this way. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to here, and then I'm going to go up, because this is the same design I find on the roulette. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come to here, and I'm going to go up and do it that way, leaving out the corner. Okay, leaving out the corner, which is this area here, and passing only where the dot is. This is the center dot. It goes for all 4 squares. So here is 5 and 6, and this part of 6 right here, and into 5, and here is 5, right, and here is 6, so we're going to have to go into here, and did we get this right? There we go, there we go. So now we have that area. Oh no, that's a mistake. Oh crap, that's a mistake. It's supposed to be this way. See, and I don't have any whiteout to get that. I'm going to have to go by myself whiteout. So this is 6 here, right here this way. Hold on a second. So we have this here, right? See the way, if you can actually see it, you see the way it may look like a floor, may look like the floor. Forget about this here and this over here. I have to take them down. This is number 6. I'm connecting 6. Okay, so now we have to look. So this over here is 8. This is 7. This is 4. So this also has to be connected because it goes 6, 5, 4, 4. So this one's a little bit different. Okay, these are all a little bit different. Each of these areas are 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Now, do you remember what I did in the other one? Okay, now this area is 6, right? This area is 6, but I can't do anything with it. All I can do is this. All I can do is this. And at the same time, right? Okay, at the same time, I can also do this. And now I'm going to end up, okay? I'm going to end up, I can do that. I cannot go down. Here's my diamond. I can't go down. The same time, how can I do this? Is it this way? Right? This way, and this way. Okay, and I'm thinking, I'm not sure how long this video is stopped, but I stopped the video in between, so I'm not sure what I left out. So I'm going to have to go over some points. This is all 3s. There's 4 3s, so it links this design to this design. This is all 7s. It links this one to this one. 4 by 7, 28. 4 by 3, 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 2 and 8 is 1 is 7, creates 7 and 3. 3, 7, 3. 7, 3, 7, 3, 7. 28 and 28. 56 and 24. You're 80. Right over here, the connection between here and here, which is 2 and 2 here, 8 and 8 over here, in between is 5. 5 is here, 5 is here, 4 is trapped in between. 5, 6, 11, 5, 6, 11, 11, 44 is trapped. All your 3s are over here. Here's another 6, here's another 5, but that's the continuous of the design. I don't want to do that. I will connect this one, and it'll connect this way. Then it'll connect this way. I gave you the base. This is the base. 7, 9, 7. 7, 9, 7. There's no connection to these. They're free. The next one for this, okay, would be 4, 5, and 6. And 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, are all paying to the 5 cents. This is to the 10 cents. I create the diamond shape, okay, because it's singular in its box. Here I create this because there's 4 of them that join to this side and to this side. Here, okay, is number 4 1s. Okay, here are 4 1s. It goes 4 1s, 4 4s, 4 1s, 4 7s, 4 1s, 4 7s, 7 1, 7 1. When you run from here to here, you run 3 7 3 7 3 7 3 7. When you hear in between, you see this diamond that connects the in-between world between 1, 4, and 7. Over here, it's 5.6. Right over here. This connection, because it's running on the line. Remember, every single line that's in here counts. Everything on the cross. When Jesus was hung between 2 other people, because he was hung on the cross, there was no cross here. It's one straight line down, right? Here is the center cross. This is the center between 2 numbers. This is not. The numbers are here. This is inside a number. So if he was late on this cross. 44, 44, 88. Over here is 12. Over here is 12. 12 and 12, the racetrack of life. Okay, I can continue it and go more. This is going to be 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4. I don't want to do all of these. If I do all of these, you're going to lose the whole content of the understanding. 4, 5, and 6. And here's these areas. In roulette, it seems to stand this way. It almost looks like that mask over there. And at the same time, we have the fish. At the same time, if you take a look, you have the mind processor, you have the chin and the eyes, you have this between the legs, and I guess the sexes. Raphael, 7286, and a constellation of Pegasus. Hold on. Yes, before I end it, I just want to say in roulette, they go black and red, right? Well, the black and red, the 2 and 8, 9 and 1, 4 and 6, 3 and 7, these two go together, create 20. These two go together. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 is perfect. 8 and 6, okay? 3 to the power of 2. 3, 1, 3 equals 7. 3 to the power of 2, and 2 sets of 3, 1, 3 equals to that 7. The relationship of what the value of 9 is. 1 is inside 9, creating a 5, 4, 9, a 6, 3, 9. The understanding of two worlds that come together. The design of it is 3, 6, goes with 4, 7. This will create the swastika. 3, 65, 47 is the connection. When you want to understand, there's one thing I don't know if it belongs in here, but 1,000, 1 with 3 zeros, to make that perfect, you need 7 and 3, the first one, to make it perfect. Then you need 5, carry the 1, and 1 will create 1,000. To the 7 world, 6, 5, and 7 is 120. 2, 1, and 0. 0 is actually a representation of 4, okay, because it takes 4 corners to create that scenario. 19 and 26 equals to 45 and 65. The fox in the sun. 25 and 20, 45 and 65. The difference between these two is in this one I added the plus. 1 times 9, 1 plus 9. 10 and 9, 19. Now I added the 10 scenario. 2 10s together to create this 20. And 2 10s together to create this 4 and 6, 10. 2 and 8, 10. 16, 4 by 6, 24. 4 by 6, 24. 8 by 2 is 16 equals to 40. 9 times 1 is 9. 3 times 7 is 21 equals to 30. 30 and 40 is your 70. 70 will create 76, and it'll also create 82 because you're adding to the zeros. You had 40 and 30. 40 and 30. 40 becomes 46 and 34. DC, creation of, and this one over here creates 46. Anyways, that's 70 plus the zeros that go with each one of them. Both zeros equals 6 and 6, 76, and then to 82. So at the end of this, you have 70 and 40. 7 and 4 is everything. 7 and 4 is everything. 5, 14, 23, 32 equal to that number. Raphael, understanding shapes and images, how the moon may work through designs and numerological and games people play. Thank you for watching.